No, that was her hand, not mine. Look, mine are right here. Oh, there's the police, and his lights are blocking his license plate. How professional. You know what? I'm just gonna go here. So I guess it's time I spill the beans. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just spill the beans. I'm gonna let you guys know if you can hear me. It's crazy windy right now, but there's gonna be another. Oh my, there's so many cops out. Sorry, I'm beating around the bush. There's gonna be another little danger running around. That's right, I'm pregnant. I'm gonna be a mom. I'm gonna be a mommy. Look, it's 2021. I'm allowed to say that. Nah, but for real, my wife is le pregnant. She's also on the back right now, but I can't turn my head that far. Can you see her? Ugh, I can. And she's still pretty early on, so she's okay with getting on the bike, but I know there's like a lot of people that say you shouldn't ride or whatever when you're pregnant, and I get that, and she's really not going to be much longer. So to be fair, this is the first time and might actually be the last too. So yeah, that's fair, I guess. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video and share the fantastic news. I'm gonna have a child. And no, I don't know the gender yet. I think we're like 2.5 months along or so. I'm guesstimating right now because I don't remember. Actually, I do. Yeah, 2.5 months. Whoop. I was thinking about taking off, but there was a cop right behind me. Woo! No. But yeah, that's the news. That's what I have. That's what I got for you. I'm pregnant. Now, we don't know the gender yet, but when we do, I'm thinking about doing some sort of gender reveal. I don't know how yet, but you know, bear with me. I might do something fun and entertaining to make a video out of. We'll see. We'll see. And yes, this is gonna be our first child. That's cool. Don't do it. It's whatever. That looked like a Dunkin' Donuts sticker on the side of that car. I don't know what it is, but it's a paw print. So probably not Dunkin'. And sorry, I haven't been writing or making any videos. There's been like a hurricane or something that's been pushing rain up through here. It literally rained every single day for about 2 weeks straight. So I have not been able to get on my motorcycle. To get on my little vroom vroom. No, that was her hand, not mine. Look, mine are right here. She's trying to give y'all the peace sign, bruh. Dude, just turn already. It's getting hot sitting here. Oh my gosh. Can I? I'm just gonna go around. Yeah, go. Come on, you can do it. I'm gonna die. Look, my fan now kicks on at 200 instead of 220 or whatever it was. 218, I think, some weird number. Since I got it not tuned. What's the word? The phrase? Got the ECU flash. Oh yeah, listen to that baby purr. I really do miss riding, man. It's so much fun. And I have a 2-door Camaro and a motorcycle, so that's going to be interesting with a kid. Hey, but look, the Camaro has those hooks for the back seat for you to put a car seat in, and my wife doesn't want me to get rid of it either, so we're keeping it. That's staying. That's all I got for you guys today. So until next time, I'll catch you later. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Always remember, babies come when a mommy and a daddy love each other very much, and then they